Okay, Capricorn, let's get into your reading here. Patience, Ace of Pentacles here. Might be waiting for something here. Might be a message here as well. Might be from a Sagittarius here, or just waiting for things to stabilize here. Positive movement forward here. The Emperor wanted to pop out, so you may have to be in charge of a number of things. Or have emotional control here. Yeah, I feel like it's with your emotions here. I also feel like you're going to feel strongly about something, whatever that might mean to you here. What is this? We got for copy. Patience and planning. Conflict and defeat, 5 of swords. Movement, choices, and decisions here. Balance is in the middle. Awareness. Emotional withdrawal here. Firm foundation. In the middle is balance. I see where you're just trying to keep yourself balanced here. Might be hard for you to... Transformation is above awareness. Empress is above emotional balance. And obstacles and challenges is above foundations and achievement. This might be something that you... Maybe your foundation is getting attacked here, or things that you worked on. You feel is being under attack. Emotional wounds is at the bottom. Give me a minute, y'all. So I feel like you might be still going through some pains, dealing with something in the past here. Maybe something didn't come through the way you thought it would here. You might be going through a change of heart when it comes to a particular person here about how you feel with the overall message here. Something might have ended here, and now you're really feeling it. Maybe with this obstacle and challenge, it was too much going back and forth with someone. Somebody made something harder than what it had to be here when it comes to having maybe even a home life here with this person here. I see where you're deciding to walk away from someone here, withdraw here with this emotional withdrawal here. Some of you might even been praying here for the right person to come along here. Something might even have something to do with a mother here. Maybe you walked away from a mother, not wanting to deal with what they have to say here. Maybe this person wants you to see things a totally different way, or try to change your mind, your views about things here. But, or this could be you as a mother. But I see you more learning through a lesson here in order to get stabilized here with this number 4. You got two fives. So I feel like you was waiting for something here. You upset, something didn't pan out here. Now you have to do something a totally different way. This balance card is giving me like open your heart back up here. Open up to the new here as well. Some of you are putting a force field around and protecting yourself here, spiritually here. Some of you might try to protect something, even though it was a challenge here. But now you've seen that maybe the vibrations don't match here. So now you have to protect yourself here with this Empress here. I feel like you have a very strong connection with someone though. Maybe they don't want to. Let's see. I don't want to jump to conclusion. What is this patience and planning here for Cappy? Cards. These cards. Come on. Got the Magician at the bottom of the deck. This might be something that you tried to bring in. But let's see. What's this 7 of Coins? Let's see where you've been waiting here. Being patient about a situation here. And you might got defeated in the process or felt like you got defeated here. But maybe that wasn't the universe's plan. So for some of you, the universe shifted you in a totally different direction is what I feel. What is this? Page of Cups here. An offer, communication here. I've been waiting for someone to say something. Waiting to change something around here. What's the Page of Cups? Might be in patience with how you feel about something. Here with this Page of Cups. 6 of Cups. Page of Wands here. This could be about how you view things, see things, feel about things here in the past here too. Something might even be about your children too as well. I see where you're trying to balance out a situation when it comes to your children here for some of you. For others of you, this is you. What's this Page of Wands? Seeing how to change with that wheel. Not doing things the same way that you used to do them here. Maybe you've been a little bit childish here. What's this Page of Wands? The Empress here. Motherhood here. Something could be about a mother here. Maybe you're dealing with somebody who tried to direct and control how you move and how you go about here. And maybe that's something that you've been through in your childhood and you don't want to go through the same thing dealing with your children. It might be something like that here. Maybe you don't want to do the same thing as your mother did here. So now you're having more patience when it comes to your children here and how you show them emotions and open up here to them here. What is this conflict and defeat here? Or fatherhood, whatever. You're getting into your Empress energy. 7 of Swords. Might be upset a little bit. Maybe somebody lied to you here. Maybe somebody said they didn't have kids, but they did here. What's the 7 of Swords? Bothers you when it comes to a love situation. I see where you tried to open up to a past situation. You was very excited. You was hoping something would grow here, but now you see this person doesn't want to cooperate here with you. I can also see it like that. All right, what's the Seven of Swords? And Two of Cups. Somebody keeps running away from how they feel from a connection here. Yeah. Some of you might have been dealing with someone you thought was the one. This is someone who has two kids here. But, damn. Somebody might have lied about being in another connection here. And they were still dealing with someone. A baby mom. What is this? Two of Cups here. Eight of Swords here. I feel like if you've been stuck in a situation, you are getting out. With this movement, choices, the decisions, seeing something for what it is when it comes to a particular person. You might even be overthinking here. Keep thinking about what someone did to you here. You might can't get something out of your mind here with this Eight of Swords here. You might don't see how something happened here. Maybe this is someone that you've seen the potential to grow with. Here with this Empress card here, someone that you had a whole lot of love for here. You was patient with them. I feel like you was patient enough though. But you can't get someone out your mind with this Eight of Swords here. So try to get back into your Empress or Emperor energy. Tend to yourself here at this time here. Focus on what you can focus on here with that Seven of Pentacles here. Some of you need to focus on your children just a little bit more, just saying here, because since that came out here, and that's going to help you, guide you out of this situation. Be around kids, animals, get out there in nature. I mean, I remember when I was going through a breakup, it was so many things. But I know kids and animals help. What is this? Movement, choices, and decisions. In family, too. Siblings. The Lovers. Who someone chose here. A decision here with the Lovers card. Could be dealing with a Gemini here. Somebody could make a decision between you and another person here. Or this could be you here. What's the Lovers? Two of Swords. A choice here. Again. The Moon and the Seven of Wands here. I see where somebody tried to, somebody played with your emotions here. Some of you might be having a decision now to don't do that. Block your heart off, not open up here. It will never be love. I will never be loved again. It's something like that here with this Two of Swords here. Not wanting to feel emotions here. So you might have been going through a situation where you create a lot of conflict, chaos here. With that Seven of Swords, Five of Swords here. You're just upset with everyone here. So try to temper your emotions here. Recenter your mind too as well with this Eight of Swords. Some of you need to get back into your spiritual connection, whatever that is to you, to the Most High here. What's this Two of Swords? You didn't want to see somebody with another lover here. King of Pentacles here. Didn't think something was going to be the way it was here. Something might have something to do with money, resources here with this King of Pentacles here. Wishing that a situation could have been stabilized here. Or this could be you here. The Moon and the Five of Cups. Still dealing with your emotions. So you still was dealing with your emotions here. Might didn't want to handle the truth when it came to something, just being honest. But, oh, okay, I see. Some of you took time out here, making a choice here, decision about your work here. And then while you were working, you blocked yourself off of emotions here. You wasn't feeling anything. And all those blocked emotions are now coming back to you here. Because you didn't really deal with it. You try to work through it through work. Here, putting your mind on work to ease the situation. So now you really have to deal with your emotions. What's this balance here? Tower, yeah. That's what I was getting. In order for you to have this breakthrough, a clearing here. So something's being cleared out here. I feel like it got to do, I don't see a lot of green. Well, the green's up here. It had to do with your heart chakra energy here. So you might be purging, crying, releasing here with this tower here. What is this? Tower. Breaking free, the death card here. Something ended here. The Hierophant and the Knight of Pentacles. Something that you thought was going to be a stable commitment, connection here. Okay. Some of you might be mad that you gave too much to a situation here. This might have been someone that you helped it here. With this Hierophant here, it's like some type of degree, some type of loan or whatnot here. And the Six of Pentacles and this Devil and this Seven of Cups. You upset. You got a right to be here. But this was for your higher good, for this to end. For it to end here is what I'm getting. This horse here is white. So your pure intentions was there here. But now they're letting you see how pure you are to yourself when it comes to balance here. And not allowing anyone to just tell you anything. Here with that Two of Swords here about what it is that you need to do here. What's this awareness? Knight of Cups, your intuition here. How you feel here about things here. Yeah, because some of you might have been trying to block that off by being more logical. What's this Knight of Cups? No, the Sun. Something came to your awareness here that you already knew. Leo energy. Something that you already knew came to the light. Here's what I'm getting with this awareness. What is this? Three of Wands here about somebody's plans here. What somebody was planning to do here with this Three of Wands. But then at the same time, you didn't want to believe your judgment here is what I feel. But they was telling you here and you knew it. Yeah, Queen of Pentacles. What's this transformation? But you know what? Whatever this is, if this is love, I feel like you did give this person some time to get themselves together here. But we all got free will, right? What's this transformation here? You got the Death card twice. So you've been going through a whole lot of changes here. Ace of Cups, emotions here. feeling dead to something. No changes, emotional changes. Like I said, here, the wheel here. I feel like in time things will start. You'll start to feel more like yourself with that Empress card here. Also, be careful what you wish on someone here. Karma will be coming in due time when it comes to whoever this person is here. Yeah. So be careful with what you say, how you say it, because you don't want to keep on going through those same cycles, those same battles here. You don't want it to flip out, and bounce on you. Just leave that shit alone with this Eight of Cups. What is this? Three of Swords here. Healing here. Letting something go here. Yeah, you getting yourself back in order here, especially when it comes to your foundation, your home. Some of you don't see how something could end, but it ended. What's this Three of Swords in reverse? Hangman here. So you might be starting to look at things in a totally different way when it comes to love here. This might also have to do with how much you give in a relationship here starting off, right? Because the Hangman is like enlightenment here. So you are going to start to trust your intuition so more so moving forward here is what I feel. What is this? Page of Swords here. You're learning here. Some of you are open to some of you still open to reconcile. I ain't gonna lie. Why the Page of Swords? I feel like, yeah, walk away from that. Stop spying, stop lurking, stop hanging on to trying to see what someone else is doing here. Because with that Three of Swords, it probably was supposed to be Three of Swords. Maybe you are keep repeating something, keep going back to something, and it's going to keep on hurting more and more as well. I know it's a challenge, but just to try to see if this person want to return. What is this Empress? See? And that's all it's going to do is upset you here. Yeah, you're just upsetting yourself here, lowering your worth when you do that. So with that Queen of Wands, be powerful enough to walk away from what's not working here. What is this firm? I feel like this is love. What's this firm foundation? King of Wands here. You got the King of Wands and the Queen of Wands here. Oh, y'all. Hold on. Okay. Foundation Achievement, King of Wands here. This might be you getting into your masculine energy here. Might be a King of Wands that wants to take the lead of a situation too as well. Who's this King of Wands? Nine of Cups here. Getting what you want here. Justice, 7 of Wands, 5 of Wands. Might be upset here. Maybe you're resisting this person. What is this? Three of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody that planned on working things out here with you. But it might be the way they want to do something is not the way you want to do it. This might be something that's unconventional. Whatever. Maybe somebody wants to live in one place but still entertain you, and that might be a problem. That's what I'm saying. Let's see. 3 of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, trying to have you under some type of illusion here. 7 of Cups, confusion here as well. Wanting to only see something their way here. And this is going to make it a challenge with you to get balance here, because this is also balance. And balance is right in the middle. It's going to be challenging for you to get balance because you're still going through some type of healing period here. It's time to get out of that with this Knight of Wands and let that go if you choose to. What is this obstacle and challenge? I think that's what the challenge was here. 4 things to get balance here as well. For you to get yourself back balanced and get yourself together here. Because this is like an energy vampire. Somebody who just think that you're always going to be available for them and their own needs, basically. We got 9 of Cups, they're thinking about themselves here. Keep saying they're going to work something out here with you. It might even interfere with your work here. That might be the universe giving you some type of sign, symbol when it comes to this person here. Alright, that's what I have. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.